Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SY BCom सेमेस्टर 3 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश का पार्ट 3 में हम MCQ एनालिसिस करेंगे। 101 से 101 से बाकी था, 101 थी। हाउ वॉज द चाइल्ड डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हर स्कूलमेट्स? करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, शी लाइक टू बी एलोन। 102, what do Americans use instead of trespassing prohibited? Correct answer option number A, newly planted. 103, how have the American have simplified the language? Correct answer option number C, use of short sentence. 104, how do people in workers paradise spend their time? Correct answer option number D, in busy manner. 105, whose fall is the poet referring to in the poem Life? Correct answer option number D, sower. 106, according to Vronet, what does hope make? Correct answer option number B, makes us float happily. 7, what is the language of the poem Life? Correct answer option number C, reassuring. 8, what does the word light suggest in the poem As I Grow Older? Correct answer option number A, dream. 9, according to Bronet, life is about how to dash. Correct answer option number C, balance positive and negative things. 110, what makes the speaker pessimistic in the poem As I Grow Older? Correct answer option number B, prejudice. 111, the poem As I Grow Older is composed in dash. Correct answer option number D, free verse. 112, according to Bronet, what is transist? Correct answer option number A, darkness. 113, what is the meaning of quanet as described in a Wrong Man in Worker Paradise? Correct answer option number D, attractive. 114, why did the elders call the wrong man? Correct answer option number C, to know the reason behind the suffering of work. 115, what does the teacher mean by the word peculiar as used in the poem Punishment in Kindergarten? Correct answer option number A, odd. 116, the poem Punishment in the Kindergarten dramatizes the dash that the poet had undergone in the school. Correct answer option number B, trauma. 170, Americans have evolved certain basic keywords which may be used anywhere anyhow, which have dash used. Correct answer option number B, multi-purpose. 118, the meaning of source in the toasted English is dash. Correct answer option number A, 20 people or things. 190, what is the meaning of sibilant as used in the toasted English? Correct answer option number B, making a hissing sound. 120, how does the poet want to fulfill his dream in the poem As I Grow Older? Correct answer option number C, by breaking a wall of racial discrimination. 121, according to Bronet, what should we do during happy days? Correct answer option number B, enjoy by being grateful to them. 122, all through the poem Life, the poet talks about two facts of life. What are they? Correct answer option number D, joy and sorrow. 123. Brunet believes that those who have lost everything in life, they should not be dash. Correct answer option number A, cynical. 124. Brunet view of life differs from dash wisdom. Correct answer option number C, conservative. 125. Every word in the life is brimming with dash. Correct answer option number B, hope. 126. According to Brunet, clouds have two days. Correct answer option number D, dissipate. 27. Why was the fountain silent in the workers' paradise? Correct answer option number C, it does not want to waste its energy. 28. The other of a wrong man in worker paradise was the first Asian of received as. Correct answer option number A, the Nobel Prize. 29. People laugh at the wrong man for his dash. Correct answer option number B, foolish activities. 130. The girl was dash with the man's skill in painting. Right answer option number D, fascinated. 131. The never before phenomenon was turning the people in the workers' paradise into dash. Right answer option number C, idlers. 132. The wrong man engaged in his day's work which was different from the work of men in the workers' paradise. Correct answer option number A, fertile. 133. According to the wrong man, any work which gives joy to our mind is dash. Correct answer option number B, significant. 134. Ambedkar was in favor of achieving the goal of dash. Correct answer option number D, common brotherhood. 35. Ambedkar believes that independence brings dash. Correct answer option number C, responsibilities. 36. Painful incidents of childhood do not hurt the poet anymore because dash. Correct answer option number A, she gains an adult peace of mind. 137. Why did the teacher scold the child? Correct answer option number B, the child did not play with the classmates. 38. The harsh words of the teacher put dash. Correct answer option number D, a deep cut on the poet's heart. 139. The angry words and laughing faces are dash and unclear as mentioned in the poem Punishment in the Kindergarten. Correct answer option number C, vague. 140. Word added to the hurt inflicted by the teacher. Correct answer option number B, ridiculous laughter of the schoolmates. 141. What seems to be finally in the battle between hope and despair? Correct answer option number A, hope. 142. Brunet compares problems as dash in the poem Life. Correct answer option number D, clouds of gloom. 43. In the poem Life, Brunet compared hope to dash. Correct answer option number C, buoyant golden wings. 44. According to Brunet, hope is dash. Right answer option number B, flexible. 45. To whom does the poet command for breaking the wall in the poem as a grey older? Correct answer option number A, his hands. 46. Which honorific title was given to the other of wrong man in workers' paradise by Gandhiji? Right answer option number D, Gurudev. 47. Which of the following is not the meaning of I will check. Right answer option number C. I will inform. 48. Who is regarded as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? Right answer option number C. Ambedkar. 49. What does Ambedkar advise in the grammar of anarchy? Right answer option number D. All of the given. And last 150. What is necessary according to Hughes to transfer dreams into reality? Correct answer option number B. A determined effort. Thank you so much watching my video.